everybody. My name is Tony Small. I'm the Regional Artistic Director for Boys and Girls Clubs of Greater Washington. And guess what? We miss you. But since you can't come to the clubs, we're bringing the clubs to you. We're going to take a trip, a virtual trip all around the world and meet artists. Some you know. You see them on television shows. You hear the music on the radio. Some you don't know that you know because they're behind the scenes making the magic happen. And then some you don't know. Incredible artists all over the country. So we're going to have fun. There's 3 areas that we're going to focus on. One is the visual arts. The other is the performing arts. And the other is interdisciplinary arts, where we bring technology to meet all of the arts. So stay tuned. Get ready to dance, get ready to sing. We are going to have fun. Boys and Girls Clubs of Greater Washington virtual art program.